substitute. Plan today. We're gonna head out to Cannon Beach here in Oregon. Yeah, it's gonna be a very hot day here, so I think it's a good time to head toward the ocean. All right, and we would love to have y'all come along.
I'm stuck on you. I got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. I needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. I'm mighty glad you stayed.
Before you, just a hazy dream, a world not fully bright. Now your presence.
All right, folks, we arrived at Cannon Beach, and walking to the oceans right now. And see, if you look up there, we're trying to find a parking spot. So I guess we park right here, but actually some folks park up there, and then they walk down that stairs. Okay. All right. So I think where we at. So we've never been to this side before, and I think it's closer to that famous rocks. All right, so we'll see. All right, turn the camera around. Yeah, it's so nice to own one of these home here. You know, it's right down the beach. Wow, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys the 360 here. I'll turn the camera around so you can kind of see. So started from that side. So again, this is the first time we came to this side of Cannon Beach. We all kind of see from here. The weather's pretty nice, you know. So, and we are going to walk to that rock, that famous rock. Yeah. All right, folks. Yeah. Let's walk to that famous rock. Oh, so the last time, babe, we were way over there. Yeah. So. Wow. We've been to Cannon Beach, I think. Excuse me. What, 4 times? So I'm thinking this is our 5th time, so we've never come to this side. It's always been the other side. So let me show you. You see way there, and on the top of those hills right there, and that's where we usually go to. You can see there, but yeah, there's a lot more people on this side, and it's because it is the famous rocks there. So that's where we're gonna walk to, and they got beautiful, all the hotels up there and everything. All right. All right. Thought it was cold, but the weather is just like perfect. The temperature, it's like perfect. Very nice. Yeah, there's a lot of folks here. I hope you guys enjoy the views, scenics here at the beach so far. All right, and thanks for coming along, you guys. Yeah, I think next time maybe we'll come here and have a picnic or something. Because I was telling my daughter, we are very fortunate to live in the location where we live, because it is very convenient, to travel to different directions, and it's only an hour away, an hour and a half, 2 hours away. And we're there. Oh, my daughter told me about the kite. Ah, okay. Yeah. So, yeah, as I was saying, we can go out to, let me see, Seaside, Tillamook. Where we're at now is Cannon Beach, Lincoln City. Let me see, Pacific, also there, Rockaway Beach. So we are in pretty much close vicinity. Again, like I said, between 1 hour to 2 hours, 2.5 hours away from where we live, and we're able to visit all those places. All right. So we turn the camera around and show you all the rock here. So getting pretty close to the rock. Oh, there was also this two down there too, babe. There's two down there.
That's like actually in the ocean.
Oh, the other one?
Like you can't go yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let's look at those houses there. Beautiful. Not cheap, that's for sure. Yeah. Right. It's getting pretty, actually it's pretty close distance here. I don't know if the videos do it justice or not, but yeah. So I turn the camera around and y'all can kind of see, all right? So you can see I'm right here. Yep. It's getting pretty close here, too.
Rough Town Records. Danny Beats Classic.